Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about denials and affirmations. Now, in my previous video, I talked about the power of your word. And if you haven't seen that video yet, just click up on and see the video to the link or in the description below and go watch that video, because this is a follow-up to that video talking all about the power of your word. And I'm referencing the book by Florence Scovel Shinn, The Game of Life and How to Play It. Affirmations and denials. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with affirmations. Affirmations are words, a group of words or sentences that really help you to connect to a certain thing, to help you get grounded, to help you shift your mindset, and to help reaffirm those limiting beliefs within the subconscious mind, right? So the power of your word is so powerful. When you decree a thing, it shall be established, and that's based on your word. Now, there may be other things that you may need to do, but your word is really like about setting the intention of doing a thing or saying a thing, even when it's not intentionally. When we say things without even thinking about it, we're actually decreeing something. We're actually starting that creation. And Abraham Hicks talk about there's 70 seconds where you can actually create something. Your words, your thoughts, is the beginning of creating that matter, whether it's for your good or not for your highest good. It's very important that you decree what you desire, you set your intention in a specific way, because we always want to be decreeing a thing so that it is for our highest good. Now, Florence says, if you desire a home, for example, friend, position, or any good thing, make the demand for the divine selection, right? We always want to be in alignment to the good thing, to the thing that's for our highest good, or even better. Now, sometimes we have desires, we desire a specific thing, we know exactly, we've gotten clear exactly on what we want. But always remember that God in the universe knows best, and that they can bring something to you even better, much better than you would ever imagined, right? So, for example, you should say something like this: Infinite Spirit, open the way for my right home, my right friend, my right position. I give thanks. It now manifests under grace in a perfect way. So in a perfect way means that you are surrendering to God in the universe to bring it to you in a perfect way, meaning that something that's in alignment for your highest good. It's not taken away from anyone else. It's not depleting anything that belongs to someone else, but it's coming to you in a perfect way. It's not going to cause harm. It's not going to cause disruption to somebody else. It's not going to cause harm to you, and it's going to come to you in a perfect way, in a way that is perfect for you. So always say that. Remember this, and I'm going to repeat this. Infinite Spirit, open the way for my right home, right friend, right position, whatever that thing is that you desire. I give thanks. It now manifests under grace in a perfect way. Now, you may be saying, well, I want to manifest money. How do I say that? How do I decree this money to come into my life in a perfect way? And I'm going to share that with you now. So you say, Infinite Spirit, I give thanks for the $1,000 or $5,000 or $500, whatever that amount that you are decreeing, which is mine by divine right, is now released and reaches me under grace in a perfect way. So let me repeat that. So let's use the example of $1,000. Okay, you want to manifest $1,000. You are believing for $1,000. You desire $1,000 to come into your life, and you want to decree a thing. You want to decree it. You want to send up your requests. You want to ask. Now, Abraham Hicks talks about ask and it is given. When we ask, when we say and we're clear on what we want, we're asking, we're decreeing a thing. We're using our words to decree a thing. Okay? So this is what you say. Infinite Spirit, I give thanks that the $1,000, which is mine by divine right, is now released and reaches me under grace in a perfect way. Let's repeat that. Infinite Spirit, I give thanks for the $1,000 that is mine by divine right, is now released and reaches me under grace in a perfect way. And that's how you say it. That's how you decree a thing. You don't go around saying, I hope the $1,000 come. Oh my, I wonder where it's going to come from. Oh, when is another client going to sign up? Oh, I wonder when somebody's going to bless me. Oh. No. You decree a thing. You stand steadfast in your words. You believe in your heart and you have the faith that it's going to show up. Now, you need to do your part, right? If you're an entrepreneur, and that's usually my community, entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, you know that there may be a part for you to play. You have to do your part. You have to be open to doing your part. It's just not going to fall from the sky. Miracles happen, but we're living in this universe where people are channels to bring the miracles to us. Or we have to do our part for the miracle to show up, or the $1,000 to show up, or whatever. You need to do your part. So how do you do your part? You ask for guidance. You ask that you be led divinely for the inspired action to come, for you to do your part. God in the universe will do the rest, but you still need to do your part, right? So when you decree a thing and you just wait silently, and you be inspired, you be guided to do your part. Call someone, make a post, reach out to a past client, create a new program, product or service, whatever that thing is. It can just show up. But you got to be open to all ways that this money or whatever it is that you desire, that you have decreed to come to you, because by your divine right, it is yours for it to be released and for it to come to you under grace in a perfect way. So I hope that this video has been of value to you. Tell me in the comments below, what are you decreeing? Are you decreeing for more money, a soul partner, clients, whatever that thing is? Share with me below and tell me how are you saying it? Are you following this example to decree a thing so that it's powerful and it's sharp and it goes straight to bringing to that thing that you desire, that you're saying, that you're using your word, that you're committed with your heart and your soul, and you're standing in faith? Because it takes all of those things. You don't just say, and you gotta believe it's gonna happen too, and that it's by your divine right. It's yours by divine right. It's already yours. You're not taking from anyone. You're not taking from Paul to pay you. You know what I'm saying? It is already yours. Everything that we desire is already available to us. It's already available to you. So I hope this video has added value to you. Share below. Tell me if it has. And tell me if you're going to start decreeing a thing in this way. If you tried it before, what have been your results? What have you manifested? And share this video, and subscribe to this channel if you're not part of this community. And if you're looking for more support on money, mindset, manifestation, becoming that next level version of who you are at the core, then I'll invite you to join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club, where you'll get monthly masterclasses, weekly Q&As. You'll be in a tribe of other individuals, other women who are on a path of impact and income and really stepping into that next level version of themselves. So join me at the Dare to Be Iconic Club. The link is below in the description, and I'd love to see you over there. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.